Hello and welcome to our video on commissioning the brevis.one SMS Gateway. Today, I will show you step-by-step how to set up and commission the brevis.one Rack Extended Edition device. Let's start by unpacking the brevis.one Rack Extended Edition. The scope of delivery includes the device itself, the quick start guide with the QR code for the instructions, an antenna, an RS232 console cable, 2 power cables, and the rack mount brackets. The first step is to insert the SIM card into the front of the RX2. Important, the RX2 should not be connected to the power supply. We recommend that you do not use a pin for the SIM card. If you still want to use a pin, please read point 7 in our documentation. Insert the SIM card into the slot provided until you hear it click into place. Next, screw the antenna to the main connection. If you want to improve reception, you can purchase a second antenna and attach it to the aux connection. Now connect an RJ45 network cable to the Ethernet port ETH0. Then connect the console cable to the RS232 port. Please note, the ETH1 and ETH2 connections have no function. You can now connect the power cables and press the toggle switches. As soon as the appliance is switched on, the power indicator lights up. Take a look at the display of the RX2. Here you can read the IP address assigned by the DHCP server. If DHCP is not available, the device starts with the default IP 192.168.1.1. You can also set the IP address via the RS232 console port. To do this, use a terminal program such as PuTTY and the supplied Cisco console cable. First, open the Device Manager. In Windows, right-click on the Windows icon. Select the Device Manager option in the menu that appears. Navigate to the Ports, COM and LPT section. The serial port assigned to the console cable is displayed here. In our example, this is COM 18. Now start the terminal program. I use PuTTY here. Enter the COM port and select the interface speed 115200 baud. Press Open. After pressing the Enter key, a text-based interface appears. Here you will find the installed software version of the gateway and the IP address under the menu item Version. Important. Changes to the network settings via the serial console are only temporary and are lost after restarting the device. To save the settings permanently, please configure them in the web interface. To do this, enter the IP address in your browser. As soon as the web interface appears, log in with the username and password. Go to Configuration and then to Network. Please fill in the lines and enter a static IP address, the subnet mask, default gateway, and DNS server. Click Save and then restart. After logging into the web interface, the system prompts you to request a license for your gateway. Click on the SMS Gateway button in the web interface. Complete the form and send the request. The serial number of the device can be found on the device. Send the license request via our service desk. After processing by our team, you will receive a license file that you can upload in the web interface. To complete the setup, send a test message. Log into the web interface again and go to Messages. Under SMS, select Send to Number. Enter a phone number and a message and click on Send. Your brevis.one SMS Gateway is now ready for use. For further assistance, please take a look at our documentation or contact our support. Thank you for watching.